Welcome to the ninth tutorial of Yomori Specs, and today we are going to make plans for the future. That is, we are going to use if in the program. If is just like making plans in C programming. What will happen if this happens? If this happens, I am going to do this. If that happens, I am going to do that. Or if nothing else of these happens, I'll be doing this. Okay, let us consider a program to get into detail. First, I'm going to include the header file stdio.h, standard input output header file, and then I'm opening my government office main, and in the main I'm gonna return 0 because it's an integer return type. Now I'm gonna see an integer x. Let us suppose that a football player, a famous player is coming to your home and you don't know who. The company, your working company is sending a player to your home and you don't know who it is, and you are wondering at home. If First, let us know who is the football player the company is sending. The player they are sending. First, to let the user input the player, scanf. Let the company decide the player. Now you have to save it in the address of X. Now you are wondering at home, sitting at home and wondering, if Lionel Messi comes, then I'll be playing football with him. Football. Now here you can see in these curly braces, in this parenthesis I have put x double equals to. As you know, if I put x equals to 10, this means assign 10 to x. But in C programming, double equals to mean compare x with 10. That's what the difference between equals to and double equals to. Now here, if Lionel Messi comes, I'll be playing football. Else if Cristiano Ronaldo comes, I'll be having dinner with him. I'll have dinner. No, if uh, Neymar comes in your house, I'll be learning some new skills. If Neymar comes in your house, printf, I'll learn new skills. Now, if none of these three players, else someone else rather than these, come to your house, I'll be watching TV with them. Printf, I'll be watching TV with them. Now you can see the format here. Here, if x double equals to 10, curly braces opens and says printf, I'll be playing football. Else, if x equals to 7, I'll be having dinner. Else, if x double equals 11, I'll be learning new skills. And else, with no any parenthesis, because else doesn't takes any what do you say that anything or any condition. X doesn't takes, because else doesn't takes any condition, it doesn't have any parentheses, it's just else and curly braces printf, I'll be watching TV with them. Now let us run this program. First save it, and then I'm here I'll be compiling the program in GCC compiler. Clear. Now the name of the file is if.c. Now gcc if.c, this output if is compiled. Now let me run this program. The player the company is sending is 11, that is Neymar, so that I'll be learning new skills. Now same, if you run the program and say that if Cristiano Ronaldo is coming to your home, then I'll have dinner. Let us say none of these players, none of these three coming. The player coming to your house is PK, then you'll be watching TV with them. That's how we use if commands in C program. Now I'll be talking about nested if. Nested if is if condition within another if condition. Let us say that you are wondering that if Lionel Messi comes to your house, you'll be playing football. But if in the same time, if the weather is rainy, you'll be playing football at indoors. So let's just put that condition in here. First, let us check what's the weather during that time. For that, let us create an array of weather, and the size of array, let us take 20. Now let us ask the user what's the weather, and the user will input the weather at that time. What's the weather, and here's scanf %s comma weather. Now if weather is weather is a string, so we'll be using string compare. As I talked earlier, what is in string compare, we have done it last time. And string compare, we are going to compare where are we, string compare here, string compare, and the string we are going to compare is weather. If the weather is rainy, then we'll be playing the football indoors. That is, if weather is rainy is true. If this is true, the string compare will return 0. If this happens, then we will be playing football in indoors, indoor football. Now if the weather is not rainy, if the weather is not rainy, it is just cloudy, we'll be playing football at Camp Nou. If the weather is cloudy, then we'll be playing football at Camp Nou. And else if the weather is neither rainy nor let's say the weather is sunny, then we'll be playing football in in my backyard. We'll be playing, if it is sunny, we'll be playing football at the backyard. Backyard. Now if the weather is none of this, we'll be playing football at the Rio, let's say at the Olympics, at the Olympic Stadium. Now let us first save it, then compile. Save it, go to terminal, here clear the screen. Now GCC ifc, that's output if. Here I have done some mistake, and it's string compare. Sorry, I forgot to put the header file string.h. Everything will be fine now. Save it and get to the compiler. I have compiled it, now run it. The player they are sending is Lionel Messi. Now what is the weather? The weather is, let's say, it's cloudy here. Cloudy. Now see, I'll be playing football and it's Camp Nou. What if the weather is not cloudy? Lionel Messi is coming to your home and the weather is rainy. If the weather is rainy, I'll be playing football in indoor. And what if none of the weather is not neither cloudy, not rainy, or is something else like dizzy, whatever. If Lionel Messi is coming to your house and the weather is dramatic, let's say, then you will be playing football at Olympic Stadium. That's how if command is used. This is how we can use if, and in various ways we can use if in various places, and this is a very important part of programming. If creates life to programming. Without if, the programs are like boring. I mean, you know what the output will be. Using these commands you can create interesting programs. I hope that you will practice at home, create some new funny programs. And that's it for today. Thank you guys. Thank you for watching. Till then, bye.